were in Anna's bedroom during a Scrum meeting, thinking about what to develop as a project for the software engineering course, when the idea of Pindery came out of Eduardo's mind, and we just knew it would have been perfect. It solves problems in a new and easy way, dividing the burden of creating a party among all the people that will take part to it.
Its mechanism is really simple. When you want to organize something, whether it's a big college party with all your friends or a small dinner with your neighbors, you just have to follow two simple steps. First, you define the details of the event, like the location, the date, the number of participants, etc. You might also personalize it with a picture and a description of the event. Once this is done, you only select the items that you will need the day of the party, based on how many people are coming and how you feel the party should be. When you complete the process of creating the party, this is immediately added to the list of parties ready to be joined either by everybody or just by the people you invite.
What about taking part to a party? The process is really straightforward. You just need to scroll the main page and tap on the party you like more to see the info. Next, you decide to participate just by choosing the items you want to bring. Once you go beyond the minimum threshold, you can complete the participation just tapping on the next button.
Now, many people will ask, how can you ensure that the items will be fairly distributed and not just chosen randomly from users? Because this leads to serious issues, like having only Kuaizi and not Zhang You at the Jiaozi party. Well, we found a way. We developed an algorithm called SGSCIDAP that divides what is needed in the best way possible. In this way, if someone misses the party, it won't be a big deal. In the same way, if the organizer cancels the party, you won't have lost money. And this is only the tip of the iceberg. Whether you're a venue owner or a brand that sells party products, you will be able to use our app to sponsor your parties and your goods. Every user of our app will see what you sponsor in a very natural way while using it.